If you are looking at a quote for a new air conditioner right now, you have probably noticed that the names on the boxes do not always tell the whole story. I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator working on massive power plants before transitioning into the HVAC field. I have spent over 17 years as a technician and contractor in the HVAC industry. For over 2 decades, I have also been running the HVAC for Beginners website to help homeowners cut through the marketing noise. Most people assume that a bigger brand name automatically means a better machine. The reality is that the flagship nameplate often carries a premium price for the same internal components found in a more affordable subsidiary. Heil is a standout brand under the International Comfort Products umbrella, which is owned by Carrier. This means Heil units often share the same engineering and high-quality parts as flagship Carrier models, but are positioned as a high-value alternative. York is currently undergoing the biggest transition in its history after Bosch completed an acquisition of its residential HVAC business. While York remains a storied name, it is now part of the global Bosch portfolio. Looking at the build quality, the Heil H5A8T uses a standard wire grill for its cabinet protection. This functional design offers the least amount of protection against hail or stray debris. The York YXT uses slotted panels, which are a step above a basic wire grill, but still not as protective as true louvered panels. In terms of noise, the Heil unit operates at about 69 decibels, which is relatively quiet for a high efficiency model. The Heil H5A8T delivers an 18 SEER rating and utilizes a 2-speed compressor. A 2-speed compressor is like a dimmer with 2 set points, running lower on mild days to save energy and higher during heat waves. The York YXT matches this with an 18 SEER rating and a 2-stage compressor, providing similar comfort and savings. The financial side is where the gap widens significantly with different installed cost averages for 2026. For 2026, a Heil H5A8T typically has an average installed cost of approximately $6,500. The York YXT in the Affinity Series often ranges between $6,000 and $9,500 installed, commanding a higher premium. A pro tip for any unit you choose is to keep your outdoor coils clean with a gentle garden hose rinse. You do not need a professional to do this every month. Simple maintenance prevents frozen coils and compressor failure. Warranty is the ultimate sign of brand confidence, and Heil offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty with a no-hassle unit replacement guarantee. If the compressor or coil fails within the first decade, Heil will replace the entire outdoor section under that guarantee. York offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but does not include a unit replacement guarantee for this model. We should also consider safety records, as York has had verified US CPSC recalls in the past involving certain PTAC units. While that recall is not for the central AC unit reviewed here, it points to potential brand-level safety concerns. After weighing specs, prices, warranties, replacement guarantees, and recalls, Heil scored 102 while York scored 71. That makes Heil the clear winner, as you get similar efficiency and a stronger replacement guarantee for a better price. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool at HVAC for Beginners to compare more brands.